transport.
So we're going on a klong tour. It's just me and two people from Australia, I think. Just sitting in the longboat. They have like a beautiful, beautiful bridge on the other side. And I'm sitting here in the front, taking it all in, and we're now at the big canal, but we're going into the smaller klongs very soon. Now it's a little bit. Oh yeah, are we coming back to the same pier? I don't know. Oh, there are more people coming on, so that's why we stopped. It's a very. You have to be a little bendy because it's a very long way from the pier and down to the boat. Here we have the Grand Palace. It's a very big area where the Grand Palace. I was there a couple of years ago, and not gonna go there, but it's very, very nice there. Now I think, yeah, this is the big canal. Klong. So now we're entering Bangkok Canal. Bangkok Canal, yes, on the left side of Waterways. There are more longboats waiting. Oh, are we going to? What do you call this in Swedish? Sluss? Are we going to take a sluss? We're going to pass through a lock. Now we're going backwards, but I think it's just getting in line here I'm waiting for the lock to open. So here you see it goes up this way. Here's moving forward to, I don't know what, there's a different lock over there. Well, yeah. You see these people, they are rising very quickly. So they are probably going to go out and we are going to go in. So now they are going out and we're gonna go in. Look at that. He's got ahead of us. Let's hope we can have place for us all. Now we can see all the motors here on the back. It's in the open like that. Oh, look at this. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 people. 5 on the road here. So this is as high the level is now. We see actually. There are some meters difference. Now they're starting to open. Oh yeah, you can't really actually see because they take up this thing. But you see on the wall there. Opening fast. You can see the people are living just beside the canal. going to a crossroad here, I think. Oh. Intersection. Where are we gonna go? I think we're gonna go to Chakra Canal. Chakra Canal. No. Is that wrong? Mon Canal. Mon. She didn't want to sell us anything. I don't know if I filmed it before, but we did a stop and there were two women on the boat wanted to sell us stuff. So nice. Now we're coming to the lock again. To a lock. I don't know, maybe this is the same lock. It looked the same from the outside, but I don't know. No, this is a smaller one. This is a small one. He was really eager, he in the middle. He wanted to go out first. This is the boat that we were actually, when we got in, we sat beside them. I remember that guy over there. Now we're going out into the big canal. It's so strange that they have the, I don't know, maybe they didn't have the technology to put it inside the water directly. Oh no, this is not the same place, because it was much bigger on that side. Yeah, so this is a smaller lock. It's a smaller lock. And here we are. Just on the other side here we have the big palace. And we'll see if I get to Vatarun. It's over there. And there it goes. We all got off here at Vatarun.